Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Brother DCP T430W printer driver in Windows 10 PC or your laptop. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly download and install the driver for your printer here or your Brother printer, well, there are a few things that you need to know first. Now, depending on your Windows version, you may need to know what bit or architecture is currently running on. So to know that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to your search bar here. So either Windows 11, Windows 10, it doesn't really matter. You just need to type in the following. It's going to be system info. Now you want to look for system information, go and open it up. Now, in here, you want to go to System Summary, and you want to look for the system type. Now, in here, you may see something different, like for example, the x64, it means it runs in the 64-bit architecture, so that's what we're looking for. So, since we already know that, and again, remember what's currently running, or the architecture for it. But yeah, so in this case, you want to go ahead and just go to any browser, just type in the file, it's going to be Brother DCP T430W printer driver. Now it's very important that you add the printer driver at the very end. Now in here you want to go and just choose the support page for Brother, and only remember, always remember this, only download from official sources. Don't download from outside sources here to avoid any viruses being infected on your PC. But yeah, so in this case, let's go open up the official website or the support page for Brother. Let's go and click on downloads. Now in here you want to go and choose your OS. Now again, I'm going to choose Windows here. Now, depending on your Windows 10, you may need to either choose 32-bit or 64-bit. But in my case, I'm going to choose Windows 11. Again, choose one that is appropriate for you, either 32-bit for Windows 10 or 64-bit for Windows 10. But let's go and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option that says drivers. Now, inside drivers, you want to go ahead and just choose either one of this. Now, if you have like a scanner as well and you want to use a scanner, you can go and choose printer driver and scanner driver here. You can go and select that. Or if you just want to install the printer driver, you can go and just choose printer driver. Now, this depends on what you need. Let's go and click on printer driver. Now, from here, let's go ahead and click on agree to the EULA and download here. But before that, you may want to read a few things in here. But if you want to skip that for now, you can go and click on agree to EULA and download. Now from here, it's going to download the installer. Let's go and click on the folder here to see or view the actual .exe file. So this is the installer. So what we need to do is we want to go ahead and double click on the .exe file. And this will run or start decompressing the file. Now it's going to say decompression process was successful. Let's go and click on OK. Now to install the actual file here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to your search bar. Just type in printer. And you want to open up printers and scanners. Now in here, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and choose one of the option here that says add device. Let's go and click on this one. Now from here, you just need to wait for a while until you see a section here for add a new device manually. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose add a printer, local printer or network printer with manual settings. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, use an existing port. Now you can go and choose one of the USB ports that we have here. But as an example, I'm going to choose this one. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, you want to go and click on have disk. Let's go and click on browse. Now you want to go to the folder where you have your file or your folder. So as you can see, this is our folder. Let's go and double click on it. And from here, what we need to choose. Now, the thing with this one is you could choose either A or B in here. Pretty much the same thing. But I'm going to choose A here. And let's go and click on open. Now, once you've done that, let's go and click on OK. Now, as you can see, this is our the printers that is available in here. So you may need to choose your printer here. So in our case, you want to scroll down a bit here and look for the T430W printer. So this is what we are going to use. And let's go ahead and basically click on the next button. Now, you could go and just rename this if you want. If you want to have add a nickname for it, we could go and do this. Let's go and click on next. It's going to start installing the printer. And once the printer is installed, you should be able to see in the printers and scanner section. Now, by the way, if you want to share this via network, you go and choose share this printer so that others can on your network can find and use it. But if you don't want to do that, you can go and choose do not share this printer. But for now, let's go and click on next. And you can either print the test page here, but let's go and click on finish. Now, as you can see, our printer is now added and you should be able to start using it. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.